What is up, everyone? So it's finally camping season, and we're gonna start the camping season with a little project. We've been wanting to store a little more things on the top of our car, so we got this roof basket. This roof basket is a MaxxHaul. This is one of the cheapest ones you can buy. I put it together, but basically I read some reviews saying to put some truck coating on, so that's what we're gonna do today. Throw some truck coating on there, make it a little more durable and so it doesn't rust. That's like the one complaint people put. But I think we paid probably around $110, $120 for it on Amazon. I knew it used to be a little cheaper last year, but you gotta buy what you gotta buy. So it is one of the cheapest. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of like a review, and then we're gonna show you guys putting on top of our RAV4 once our side rails come. So follow the journey. Alright guys, so we're going to be using this Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. Again, it's about the cheapest stuff you can get, but all of the reviews were pretty solid for it, for the price. Plus we're just trying to get something to, get on. It's not a truck bed or anything, so we'll see how it does. Alright guys, round one is done. I think I did a pretty good job, except for at the beginning. I'm sure you guys saw. It wasn't coming out very strong, and then I shook it, and then of course a ton went, and I was a little too close. Tried to wipe it a little bit. I don't know. It's going to be not the greatest in this part, but maybe the second coating will kind of help that out. We'll see how many coats I end up doing. But besides that, the application seemed pretty good. So yeah, hopefully that flaw just goes away, after a few coats. Alright guys, well, the second application seemed to do the job a little bit more. It's still definitely a little bit different on this side, but I think we're making progress. The rest of it's looking great. So yeah, we're gonna just fast forward to when it's done now. Alright, so here's the finished product. We still got a little bit of drippage here. We're gonna probably put a sticker over it though. Just because, you gotta add stickers, right? So we're gonna do that. And yeah, this finished product, it's got a nice layer of that truck bed liner on it, and should hold up pretty well. I flipped it around and did the underside, did 2 coats on the underside, and we have 4 on top, and the total amount was 2 cans. So just for you guys wondering, 2 cans is perfect. And we just got this in the mail today, the Malone 50-inch crossrail system. Gonna throw it up on the car, the RAV4, but it should be pretty easy as far as what I can tell, and it got pretty good reviews, so looked like the best one for the price. So let's see how it goes. So we got it installed. How's it look? So good thing too, so you basically, it'll come with everything you need. They give you the hex key to put it on, and then the good thing is it actually comes with a lock too. So once it's secure, you just lock them in. Nobody can get in them unless they really want to. They could probably whack that off, but one little added security. So next up is the rack. So here is the final product. Looking good. Hopefully it'll hold our luggage pretty good. We got our bag. Let me show you guys how we attach these. So basically, when you get the kit, you'll get a U-bolt. You put it under. You snap on this little plastic piece, and then you put this metal piece over, and then basically you'll just screw these on. This is like a protector. So you just do that, and that's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any troubles with yours. I'll give little updates on mine too. We're gonna go camping this weekend, so make sure to follow that video. That'll give you kind of an update of how it's doing when we put on the bag on top. And then we're gonna have a ton of future camping videos this year. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. You can kind of see all the camping around Utah, and we're also gonna go to Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Peace.